You own a 1999 to 2007 Chevy truck and you want to know if you got a cabin air filter? Well, we're going to get to the bottom of it right now. We're going to get in here and see if you got one. You can trust me, I'm a mechanic. All right, we got a 2002 Chevrolet Cateye. And then we have a 2006 Cateye Chevrolet. So between the two right here, let's take a look at the 2002 first. I'm gonna tell y'all right off the bat from my experience, 1999 to 2002, 100% chance you got an air filter. Once you get to 2003, 2004, it can be kind of iffy. Some of them got it depending on the vehicle. You know, Tahoes and Suburbans, I've heard they have more cabin air filters than Silverados, that kind of thing. Just depends on how it was built. Then once you get to 05, 06, 07, all the cabin air filters are gone. Don't worry, we're not going off of years. We got the truck right here so we can figure it out ourselves. I'm gonna show you how. First up, you see this panel right here, plastic panel, passenger floorboard. Get in there and we're gonna unscrew it. It's got a screw right there. It's got another one right there, and it's got one under there, and that one is a pain, but we gotta get it out. So they are 3 7mm bolts, and get them out. I recommend a ratchet like this right here with a long socket on there. Let me get these out and I'll show you what to look for. All right, so here's what we're looking for right here. You see this bracket? If you see this bracket, that means you got a cabin air filter, and there's one tiny little gold screw right there. You loosen that and this whole bracket comes off. If you see that, that means you got one. So I'll loosen it up. So you take that one screw out. Oh yeah, look at that. Always, always, always junk in here. But oh, what is that? Yep, see? So sometimes I blow them out, you know, compressed air. I'll get in here and blow this thing out, shake it out, you know, whatever, get a new one, swap them out. There's 2 of them in there. Let's go look at the red Cateye. You just dig them out. You dig them out in there. Yeah, see, always a junk show, everything falling out. Yeah. So there's your heater core right in there. That's what the radiator passes all that hot coolant through, and that's where you get your heat from. Here's your blower motor right here. If you got any problems, take your blower motor out, fix it up, and then there's your resistor right there. Take that out. That's what controls the different speeds to the blower motor. So this knob right here goes down to here, and then it controls this resistor, which then makes the blower motor spin at different speeds. All right, let's take a look at the 2006 Cateye. Up next, we're gonna go in the passenger floorboard, same dealio. Yeah, all right, up in here, same screws. Let's pop them out, see what we got. All right, we got it all down now. So look right here, nothing. It is a plastic bar. There is nothing there. There is nothing to unscrew. There is nowhere to get filters in or out. You don't have a cabin air filter if it looks just like this right here. So I don't know why they made it this way, man, but these 06s don't have it. And I'm gonna stick my phone up in there just to prove to you there's nothing up in there. But check out this blower resistor. Man, that's nasty. Half of these settings don't even work on the dial, so I gotta swap this thing out. But yeah, I wish this had a cabin air filter. I'd be a lot better off. Wouldn't be blowing dust all out through the truck, because this truck is super dusty. You can tell. Yeah, you see the dust? It's hard to see on camera, but you see all the dust in the corners and stuff, gravel dust. It's all throughout the truck because it just doesn't have a cabin air filter. Wild, huh? So guys have told me there's a kit for these 04, 05, 06, 07 trucks where you can cut the air box and get a little panel and actually put cabin air filters in there. I'm definitely gonna do that to this 06 Cateye, because this thing is dusty, man. In the country, in the woods, going hauling, towing, off-roading, you know, towing 4x4, four-wheelers, dirt bikes, all that stuff, man. It just blows gravel dust and dirt and stuff in the cab because there's no cabin air filter. Why? Why did they get rid of it? I don't know. But yeah, it looks like you can just cut the air box out with a Dremel and then put a panel on there, slide you some new filters up in there. So I'm gonna definitely check out that kit, and that's definitely gonna be a future video. I'm gonna mod this thing. Stick the phone up in the hole. Yup, see, nothing up in there, no filters, nothing, man. I really wish they would have left the cabin air filters. I mean, just give you a spot to stick them up in there. It would have been easy, you know, it's just plastic, but it really helps get fresh air into the cab, but they're not there, so it is what it is. There you go. There's how you figure out if you got a cabin air filter, 1999 to 2007 Chevrolet trucks. So let me know down below if y'all got a cabin air filter, and let me know what year truck you got, and then if you had a cabin air filter or not, because I need to know, you know, this is the best I know, but there might be some weird configurations and builds of these trucks where there is a cabin air filter on a 2007 or something, you know, that I never seen before. So I'm interested to see what y'all got. Don't forget, drop me a huge thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more Chevy truck tip videos in the future. Later.